Friends, welcome to a new episode of Crypto News. Today we have a special episode. The market is hitting new records, institutional investors are increasing their positions, and politicians are making bold statements. Get comfortable, we're starting. Last week, the cryptocurrency market capitalization exceeded $3 trillion for the first time in history, surpassing the peak of 2021. Bitcoin reached $99,000 at one point, while the Fear and Greed Index soared to 94 points, the highest level since February 2021. However, as is often the case, the market took a respite, and Bitcoin has now dipped below $95,000. Don't worry, analysts are confident this is just a temporary correction before the next surge. The market's historical patterns fully support this view. Analysts have noted that after reaching its all-time high of $19,700 in 2020, Bitcoin gained an additional 26% in just a week. We're now seeing a similar trend. The price has already increased by 28% after the new record and is consolidating sideways. If history repeats itself, we could see a rapid climb to $140,000. Analysts at Bernstein are equally optimistic, predicting that by 2025, Bitcoin could reach $200,000. The growth is expected to be driven by policies from Donald Trump's administration. Interest in crypto has been growing at a rapid pace over the past few weeks. Investment crypto funds continue to attract massive amounts of capital, with $3.12 billion pouring in over the last week alone. This marks the 7th consecutive week of positive inflows reported by funds. Out of this, $3.8 billion went into Bitcoin funds. However, Ethereum ended up in the shadows, with its inflow amounting to just $2.8 million, while the price ratio of Ethereum to Bitcoin dropped to 0.032, the lowest level since March 2021. Large hedge funds are heavily shorting Ethereum, highlighting a decline in investor trust. Still, this hasn't stopped Ethereum from surpassing Tron for the first time in 2 years to become the largest blockchain for USDT issuance. Currently, the market capitalization of USDT stands at $133 billion, a record high. Meanwhile, the daily cryptocurrency trading volume last week reached a 12-month high. However, the most remarkable event took place on the South Korean exchange Upbit, where weekend trading volume hit $13.7 billion, equivalent to the entire trading volume of the Korean stock market. It seems crypto has become the star among Korean traders. Another record was set by miners last week. The Bitcoin mining difficulty reached an all-time high of 102.29 trillion, highlighting the intense competition among miners. While mining becomes increasingly challenging, Bitcoin's price continues to strengthen its position. Switching from crypto news to the virtual gaming world, our favorite game Battle Bulls now offers the ability to travel. We've added new cards featuring over 100 cities. These cards not only allow players to explore new horizons, but also earn offline income in the form of in-game euros. Log in, choose cards available at your level, and grow your balance. Now let's return to global market updates and discuss major players. The company MicroStrategy, well known for its interest in the crypto market, completed a bond placement of $3 billion and used the funds to purchase 55,500 bitcoins. The company now owns 386,070 bitcoins, and if projections are accurate, this number could grow to 830,000 coins by 2033. Amid growing global interest in the crypto market, analysts at VanEck predict that Bitcoin will reach $180,000 in the current cycle. This forecast is based on the anticipated regulatory clarity that could be provided by the Donald Trump administration. Interestingly, Trump continues to surprise with his initiatives. Reports suggest he plans to establish a cryptocurrency council tasked with policy development and creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve. The council will include former politicians, representatives from Coinbase, Ripple Labs, a16Z Paradigm, and law enforcement officials. Additionally, last week it was reported that Donald Trump's Trump Media is considering purchasing the regulated cryptocurrency platform Bakkt. Bakkt was launched in 2018 by Intercontinental Exchange, the operator of the New York Stock Exchange. Alongside news of the potential acquisition of the crypto trading company Bakkt, the Wall Street Journal reported that Brian Armstrong, CEO of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the U.S., Coinbase, is meeting with President-elect Donald Trump to discuss personnel appointments. Trump is seeking candidates more favorable to the crypto industry for key positions, while his advisors are consulting with crypto business leaders about about possible changes to government policy. According to the Washington Post, the U.S. government under Trump is expected to adopt a softer stance on cryptocurrencies. Another clear bullish signal came from China. The Shanghai court officially recognized personal ownership of cryptocurrencies as legal, marking a significant step for the Chinese market. Meanwhile, in Poland, presidential candidate Sławomir Mencen announced that he will add Bitcoin as a strategic national reserve if he wins the election. In Morocco, cryptocurrencies are now officially legalized after a complete ban in 2017. Recently, news emerged that Morocco plans to invest more than $1 billion in the creation of a digital hub to develop AI and blockchain technologies. That wraps up this episode. The crypto market continues to evolve at an incredible pace, and together with you, we're witnessing the shaping of a new economic future. Stay tuned for our updates, and may your profits always grow. See you in exactly 1 week.